sing for you. These fourth, fifth, and sixth graders have been practicing very hard. And so we are going to get started. Our first song kind of sums up the philosophy of our choir. It's called Boots of Shining Leather.
If you dance, then you must have